Hello, my name's John Amos. It's well established that most of our theories were developed by white, middle class and upper class males in North America and Western Europe. Further, the samples of the studies on which much theorizing is based have also reflected this semantic norm. Such theories have then been assumed to be universally generalizable. By contrast, those who use samples that fail to comply to the established white middle class male norm report being queried on the broader applicability of their theoretical inferences. This traditional approach to theory generation is problematic on multiple levels. First, there is the moral difficulty of imposing knowledge generated in one context on others in a taken for granted way. Second, there is the likelihood that our theories of management and organisation may simply break down when applied outside the context in which they were developed. A third problem is the lack of flow of ideas and norms from south to north and east to west, leaving many of us impoverished and undoubtedly missing significant theoretical insights. There is therefore a vital need for us as a community of engaged scholars to promote the inclusion of all voices and to welcome diverse views. The flourishing of our field depends upon it.
Hi, my name is AMR. I'm an associate editor at the Academy of Management Review. It is really important to think about diverse ideas and to hear different voices. Everyone brings their own assumptions to the research that they do. Assumptions based on your experience, assumptions based upon your training, assumptions just based upon who you are and what you think about the world and about the ideas and about what you see as your research objectives that have been colored by your experience. And everyone has these assumptions. Everyone has ways of viewing things. Our assumptions aren't necessarily wrong. They're just our assumptions and our conclusions based upon our experience. But every one of us has a different experience. And it's so important to understand how the assumptions I might bring to the table and how I might analyze a certain question would be different from the assumption and the views that somebody else would bring to analyze a very similar type of question. And it's so important and so enriching to see different points of view represented and to see those different ideas from different types of people in the journal and in the papers that we read. And I love hearing different voices who come at things from different perspectives and come at things from a way I would never have thought of. And that's the value of inclusion, the value of diversity of thought. I love that about our field. I love that about our journal. And I just hope we can continue to do that and get more diverse voices involved with AMR. It'll just benefit everyone. Thank you.
Diversity is really important to us at AMR, and for me personally, it always has been, but it's never been more important than the things that I see in authors that come at ideas in a completely different perspective, whether it's your stage in life, your location in the world, the philosophy or the areas of research that you cite, whatever it is, a different perspective brings something unique and new, and that's exactly what we're looking for at AMR.